Mark from the channel Arkansas Woodcutter is our team captain, as we are hashtag woodcutter on SHEDWARS. Gladiator challenge to everybody for the most innovative thing that they're going to do in their garden. So it was really hard for me to narrow down because, well, they wanted to know something new that you was going to be doing in your garden, and our garden is pretty much everything's going to be new. One of the new things that we're doing here is I've heard about hookah culture, so we're going to be putting hookah culture in place. We got to start here. This will be our strawberry bed. Our garden will be going here, so it's a whole new garden. We're doing deep mulch in our chickens so that we have compost, and we're also doing back to Eden garden using all the mulch. Years ago we had a friend of ours that tore their shed down, and we got all this and we've been sitting on it for a couple years now, and we decided this is the year we're going to use it. So here is two sides to the raised beds. So out of all the new stuff that we have going on in our garden, and out of all of this, I had to really try to narrow down what is the most innovative new thing that I really think is going to bring a lot to my garden this year. And I've got to tell you, I have to thank SHEDWARS for this innovation, because I have had this for over 30 years, and I've used it a little bit here and a little bit there to dig holes and things like that, but I've never, and I've tried, but I have never been able to use this the way that I'm going to get to use it, this innovation, the way that I'm going to this year. And it's because of SHEDWARS. The start of SHEDWARS is the whole reason I'm going to get to use this, and it's already paying off. I already have multiple peppers, and what I'm getting from this innovation because of SHEDWARS is just amazing. So without further ado, let me show you the best innovation that I have for the garden, and it's all thanks to SHEDWARS. There is the best innovation that I am going to have in my garden for SHEDWARS, because let me tell you, I have had this for well over 30 years. Am I right?
Yes.
And how much have you really done in a garden?
I've dug a hole, put some posts in, put some fence up. That's about it.
And how much more work am I going to get out of you this year? What have you already done this year?
Well, I've planted seeds. I've got, I don't even know, 47 pepper plants in there that I don't even know what I'm going to do with 47 pepper plants, but I grew them, and I've never grown anything from seed before. I've never planted a seed before.
And he has helped prune these trees. He has helped laid out this hookah culture bed. He's learned how to amend soil.
Yeah.
He was the one that got this deal that you'll see later on. He was the one that got the deal of all of this mulch that we plan on using, because he was thinking. So this is the best. This right here is the best innovation that I have, because it did a little bit before, but it's never done as much as it's already done this year, all thanks to SHEDWARS.